hope you enjoyed the new intro to the show. Made that during the week. I was in hospital last week, so I wasn't able to get much done on the car, so sorry about no episode. Big shout out to Kirk from synchro.com for making me a awesome new logo for the show. So yeah, big thanks to Synchro for doing that for me, and yeah, hope you enjoy. So today I'm going to be pulling out the rear diff and this diff assembly. We got the Three Stooges in the back. I'm going to be painting up the exhaust from the dump pipe back, putting the front back together. It was all pulled apart. When I was in hospital, Dad painted me up the spats, and he also painted one of my guards for me and the rear arches. I'm going to put on the front rally armor mud flaps that we've got. So we put on the rear ones last time. Just getting the car generally ready. I'm also going to pull off the side skirts and leave it bare because the side skirts are like completely stuffed and they keep falling off the car. So first going to take these guys for a walk and we can do it. So this week I sent the hubs over to our mates at Future Auto Service to be pressed in. I'll have them by the next episode so I can put everything back together. Rear diff support from Lail arrived from Nengung Performance. And yeah, so let's jump into it.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless. Calling them all night. I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well end still on that. It's the only thing that I fucking do like that. smiling depression. They think I'm alright. I'm calling, I'm calling. I'm calling, I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well end still after that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
Alright, now that's all apart. I am just awaiting, I'll be ordering the Cusco 2-way today, and then I shall hopefully get that in the next 2 weeks, fingers crossed. Just got to make sure we have stock from Cusco. I'm ordering it through CMA, and most of my parts that I've ordered through them have arrived within a week, which is awesome. So I'm just awaiting the, we got to get, the hubs are being pressed at the moment, so I'll get them back soon. And I've just got to put everything back together pretty much in the rear, and that's that all done. I'm also waiting for some diff mounts for that T-brace from Right Hand Drive Japan. They're express, so they should be here next week as well, so I'll be able to put that all back together. Might hit up Hox Mod Shop so we can press those in, and yeah, getting close. I'm getting pretty excited now. Most of the engine stuff will be ordered this week as well, so soon as all of that is pretty much ordered and ready and arrived, I'll be pulling the engine out, and yeah, it's getting close now, getting pretty keen. So thanks heaps for watching, and I'll catch you next time on Driftsti.